Drinking apple juice every day can have both positive and negative effects on your body. Here's what might happen. Positive effects. Hydration. Apple juice contains water and can contribute to your daily fluid intake, keeping you hydrated. Vitamins and antioxidants. It's a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants, which can boost your immune system and help fight free radicals. Digestive health. The fiber in apple juice, especially if it's unfiltered, can aid in digestion and promote gut health. Negative effects. Sugar content. Most apple juices have a high sugar content, which, if consumed in excess, can contribute to weight gain, dental issues, and possibly an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Acidic nature. Some people might experience gastrointestinal discomfort or acid reflux due to the acidic nature of apple juice. Potential allergies or sensitivities. Some individuals may be allergic or sensitive to certain compounds in apples, leading to adverse reactions. Dental health. The natural sugars and acids in apple juice can contribute to tooth decay if consumed excessively. It's advisable to rinse your mouth with water after drinking juice to help mitigate the impact on your teeth. Nutritional benefits. Aside from vitamin C and antioxidants, apple juice contains other nutrients, like potassium and small amounts of other vitamins and minerals, which can contribute to your overall nutrient intake. Weight management. While apple juice itself doesn't directly lead to weight loss, choosing it as part of a balanced diet can be beneficial due to its fiber content, which can help with satiety and potentially aid in weight management. Individual variations. How your body reacts to drinking apple juice every day can vary widely from person to person. Some might experience the positive effects more prominently, while others might be more sensitive to its sugar content or acidic nature. Digestive issues. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort or diarrhea if they are sensitive to the natural sugars or fiber removed during juicing. Moderation is key. If you choose to drink apple juice regularly, opt for fresh, natural varieties without added sugars or consider diluting it with water to reduce sugar intake. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice based on your health condition and dietary needs. Impact on blood sugar. Due to its high sugar content, drinking apple juice in excess can spike blood sugar levels rapidly, especially for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. This can disrupt blood sugar control. Risk of allergies. Some people may have allergies to certain components in apples, leading to allergic reactions when consuming apple juice regularly. Reduce fiber intake. Juicing removes the beneficial fiber found in whole apples. Fiber aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Consuming only juice may lead to lower fiber intake, impacting digestive health. It's important to balance apple juice consumption with a diverse, nutritious diet. Consider whole fruits alongside or instead of juice to benefit from the fiber content. Moderation and awareness of your body's response to the juice can help you make informed choices about its place in your diet. Potential impact on cholesterol. Some studies suggest that apple juice might have a positive effect on cholesterol levels due to its antioxidants. However, these findings are not definitive, and excessive consumption might counteract any potential benefits due to its sugar content. Children and apple juice. For children, excessive consumption of apple juice has been associated with increased risk of obesity and dental problems. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends limiting juice intake and encouraging whole fruits instead. Overall dietary balance. While apple juice can be a part of a healthy diet, relying too much on it might lead to an imbalance in your overall nutrient intake. It's essential to include a variety of foods to ensure you get a